Let's learn together. Okay, now we are going to understand about 3-point arc. Okay, first click on the 3-point arc and then put on the first point as the center of the point, and then second click you can get the length of the arc, whether you want to go vertical or horizontal. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, second click the length of the arc, and then third click show the radius. Okay, we try another arc using a 3-point arc. Okay, we go for the first point and then second point for the length and third point for the radius of the arc. Okay, that's all.